Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to talk about an app called as Smytten, from where you can order free trial of products for a nominal delivery charge. These are the boxes which I have got from Smytten today only. Let's unbox them and see what are the free products which I have received. For every trial box you have to make a payment of 199 rupees, which is also mentioned on this delivery label. You can see all the products are mentioned here. Now you might be thinking that the title of the video is not correct, as I have mentioned that you will get it for free, but in reality you have to pay 199 for delivery charges. But it's not like that. Once you choose the trial products and calculate their value by searching them on Google, you will realize that the value of all the products is way more than 199 combined. First product which I have got is Sage Apothecary 3-in-1 Mud Mask, whose price is around 233 rupees. Second product which I have got is 1-8 Dio by Virat Kohli, which is around 75 rupees. Third product which I have got is Blue Moon Intoxication Fine Fragrance Mist, whose value is not mentioned anywhere. Fourth product which I have got is Saint Juan's Aloe Vera Gel with Vitamin E, whose value is around 175 rupees. Fifth product which I have received is Mama Earth Oil Free Face Moisturizer with Apple Cider Vinegar, whose value is around 99 rupees. And sixth product which I have received is Mama Earth Argan Hair Mask, whose value is around 99 rupees. This is another box that I have purchased from Smytten. Once you place a free trial order, you will get money in Smytten wallet, which can be used to make further purchases. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. This is Kapiva Tulsi Giloy Juice 1 liter pack. This is available for around 320 rupees on Kapiva official website, but I have purchased it for around 180 rupees from Smytten. This is another free trial box which I have received from Smytten. This also contains 6 products. Let's unbox it and see what are the products in this. First product which I have received is Mama Earth Upton Face Wash, whose price is around 99 rupees. Second product which I have received is Captain Zack Positivity Smooth Dog Paw Cream, which was around 99 rupees. third product which I have received is Saint Juan's moisturizer, which was around 99 rupees. Fourth product which I have received is mint strips with vitamin D, whose price was around 149 rupees. Fifth product which I have received is the gourmet jar strawberry, whose price is not mentioned anywhere. Sixth product which I have received is onion hair oil, whose price is around 190 rupees.